This is a TB7. This is a new video. Also, this is my new car. I can't tell you what I call it yet because I haven't decided. This is what this video is all about. Out of the list shown, what do you think it should be called? It's a 1.2 Ford Fiesta Freestyle. Do you have any ideas? Please comment. A name will be chosen at the end of, what are we on? May. At the end of May or June. Probably May. I haven't quite decided if it's a boy or a girl yet. That's why there's so many names. I'll give you a quick break. I'm waiting for my friend to pick me up in his car, his new car, to go to college. There's nothing wrong with my one. It's that then I don't have to pick him up and stuff. But it's a great thing to drive. I love it to bits. It's got alloys, great sound system and airbags. And a massive boot. Well, choose which one you want and type it in the comments. Thank you.